money pillars and benefits of financial freedom are: saving helps you build an emergency fund and gives you short-term financial stability. Budgeting helps you to understand where your money is going and make smart financial decisions. Investing allows you to grow your money and works on long-term financial security. Eliminating debt helps you live without the burden of monthly payments and reduces money stress and anxiety. These steps can help you achieve financial freedom. And in this video, I will give you my tips and tricks to work on each one. Budgeting. Take the time to understand where your money is going each month. Track your income and spending. Find spending habits and understand your minimal monthly expenses. This will help you see the difference between your essential and non-essential spending. By taking the time to create a budget, you'll be able to make informed decisions on how best to use your money. Without a budget, you are making financial decisions without the information you need to make them. A budget is the first and, in my opinion, most important step to strengthening your finances. You need to know your numbers. Investing. The current financial climate pits some of the smallest saving account interest rates against the highest levels of inflation we have seen in a long time. We have been losing value on our money for a while now, and it's good to look into options of beating inflation and growing your wealth. Investing can be a powerful tool in your journey towards financial freedom, with the advantage of compounding interest. Research different investment options and speak to a financial advisor to get personalized plans based on your financial situation. Saving. Saving is essential in achieving financial freedom. Always make sure to build up an emergency fund. This will give you the security to handle unexpected expenses and stay out of debt. Saving is to give you financial stability and security in the short term. It should be money you can access straight away in case of an emergency. It is completely separate to investing money. Saving also helps you to prepare for short-term goals and ensure you can make progress towards your long-term financial goals too. Debt. Eliminating debt is key to achieving financial freedom. Make sure to know where your debts are and commit to paying off all your obligations, prioritizing high-interest debts. This will help you to get out of the cycle of debt and free up more money for saving and investing. With eliminating debt, you'll be able to start living without the burden of monthly payments. Financial freedom is within reach, and it starts with 4 simple steps. Budgeting, investing, saving, and eliminating debt are the 4 steps that will help you take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom. To get access to the budget I use every month and see how I use it, check out the video over here. Like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching. Bye!